Hey everybody, I'm Mike and welcome. Appreciate you joining me. Today it's going to be something a little different for me anyway. My friend, the one that gave me all the oak, he asked me if I could make a gavel for him. I said sure, I'll try it, and that's been about 2 months ago. I figure it's about time I get on it. So,
pitter patter.
Let's get at her.
Today I'm going to make a gavel out of the oak that my friend gave me. He asked if I'd make him one. He has a club and he's the president, and he wants a new gavel for other meetings, and I told him I'd make one out of the wood. So let's get cutting some up. Hopefully it'll be dried enough where it won't crack, but I got plenty of glue if it does, so we'll see. So stay tuned. Well, sure, I've wasted a lot of nice wood to get to this point, but if it works out, it's not wasted, I guess. Alright, that's a pretty good shine right there, but it's not smooth. I'm gonna run this old greenie on it and get the little nubs off, and then use some axe. And that's pretty. now I'm going to start to turn the base, or the block that you hit with the gavel. I'm sorry, I did not realize that my battery had died, so I'm not sure what you got and what you missed, but I shaped this and I put 5 or 6 coats of sanding sealer on it because it had a lot of tear outs in it and it took a lot. Pretty good. I gotta turn my fan on. Alright, I'm gonna put several coats on, and I'm gonna let that dry where not gonna get hard before I turn it around and hollow out the inside. So I'll bring it back. And that's pretty. That's almost as shiny as the lacquer. And I wish I'd just gone with just the axe wood paste, because it probably would have actually been more durable. I don't have to worry about that flaking off, but it didn't. So keep it the same. Put this with lacquer also, so it all matches. Oh, there she is. I just gotta finish that, but drill the hole in the head of it and glue it in. Alright, so I've gotta find out which part I want to show on the top. I think that's what I want to be on top because it's prettier. So, say that's the bottom where the handle's gonna go. And I've made this little jig, I guess you could say, just to hold it so it won't roll and I can get it at a 90-degree angle. You could do it also putting a V, cutting a V in here in the middle, probably be easier, but I don't have a saw I can do that with, so I just put 2 small pieces of wood in there and 2 boards together. That hopefully it'll work. Alright, well, I finally got this gavel finished. I think it turned out pretty good for my first one. It's like 3 projects in one on this one. We got the mallet part, the head of it, and then the handle, and then had the block. Get it turned around here. Finish it off with this Minwax clear lacquer. Wanted something durable since it's going to be hammered on and getting a lot of abuse. Hopefully not a whole lot. I don't want it to break, but hopefully it'll stick together. Also, I didn't film this. I did this off camera. I used some 5-minute epoxy and glued that in. I did that in the house and just forgot the camera out here in the building and forgot to come and get it. So, but that's it. Let me know what you think. I kind of like it. I hope he likes it, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate the subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, I'd like to invite you to go ahead. If you don't want to, that's fine too, but at least give me a like if you liked it, or a thumbs down if you didn't like it, and let me know why you didn't. So regardless, I will see you in the next one, hopefully, and hopefully it'll be soon. Kind of tired, got a lot of housework to do, but yeah, have a blessed week and good weekend. Well, you'll see this on Monday, so have a good week, and I hope everybody's staying healthy, and hopefully we'll be able to resume normal life soon. So see you next time. Thanks.